Galway Pumpkin and Festival. So it's a very looking different story. So there's a lot of pumpkin and a lot of crowd here. So I'm slowly going that way. Here have our registration because we are first putting your registration in the car too. After that the Galway I'm going again top there. See, there's a lot of fun, lot of kids fun, lot of people here. So traffic is jammed and traffic to come out is going up and see something. So some people were excited because they like some.
Yes, we are booked for 3 persons.
That's okay. So will you just see what is download tickets?
And first I do have a go down. Other car is doing have a down parking. No put here parking is the same here. Some personal one. So long journey do coming here and see look fun and children look here with mother, father and pumpkin and so many things. And children go to fun. Here sign car going. When car parking is there, you will stop there. It's going down there. And allowed pumpkin carry possible. And registration and tickets clear and going down and look the crowd, a lot of cars, a lot of people in the Galway Pumpkin Festival and land direction bring the one parking is a full, you do the right place is that one. Thank you. So going down is a look in the lot of place, lot of cars, lot of people and day is very fine today. So looking nice and parking from the start, parking place is full. So friends, see you new something down and bye. 1 hour to drive and coming that place is a Galway Pumpkin Festival. Is a lot of crowd, is a lot of people there. So I reach here, is a few guests and me was coming here. Is very far to coming this looking the Pumpkin Festival. So look is a crowd and a lot of cars full is a parking and all round is car and Pumpkin Festival is that way is people. So here very fun and day is very bright, is lovely, but chilly is still cold. So see the next news. Okay, bye. Time is the entry for Galway Pumpkin Pat. So that sign and other sign and entrance and look car parking is lot of crowd, a lot of people. So this one is a very good festival. The Galway Pat Pumpkin, the Galway County to different coming the 1 hour nearly roundabout my house to here. So you saw here, so entry going soon. So see the crowd and pumpkin, so many people and something so good. All place pumpkin and people. So you do ticket and after you 3 choose, maybe one bigger one choose, your choice. One ticket is the one pumpkin, bigger one, maybe 3 small one. So I show you again something. So very fun. It's a lot of pumpkin and crowd. It's a very big place to make that festival called the pumpkin. So it's a very heavy pumpkin. It's a one I asking girl to how much, but weight is that pumpkin. So she is no clue, but I just sold round about nearly 50 to 20 kg, bigger one. So look, here's the have a festival. So in the food section there and outing and the child and so many fun. So looking the crowd, looking the pumpkin, people. Irish pumpkin and good place. See, hiya. I pick in a few minutes go, but just I putting first
Yeah,
video
no
of the
problem,
show.
no problem.
So thank you. Look, is that size is around about in the 6 kg to above. Yeah, that one is how many kg? That one big one. That one how many kg big one?
That's a big one, yeah?
How many kg roundabout?
Oh, I haven't a clue. Not a clue.
My roundabout
And
is,
heavy anyway.
oh my god, nearly
Yeah.
10 to up is kg. So looking at the crowd. Look at that, look at that. There's a Mickey Mouse. We're doing, the boys do something fun. Hello Mickey Mouse. Oh, Pony. Horsey.
Oh, you could try.
Pony Horsey is there. Pony Horsey is there. Different stuff.
Yeah. Between, right down and the skins.
Galway Pumpkin. So that you see different pumpkin and people and crowd and so many fun and something. See, Galway Pumpkin. Galway Pumpkin is a different things than pumpkin and cauliflower. Nice chicken. The yummy chicken and the lovely seafood. Irish one is very good meat and lovely, but that one is the egg one. Mostly it's all very small and big. Irish one and very good. So it's a lovely jubbly. All pumpkin track to track, look, going down there. So there is a stall in the coffee, tea, burger and sandwich and chips and more things. So yummy everything. Irish food, Irish people, Irish stuff, and lovely jolly, and me too Irish and Irish people. So see, lovely and jolly.